Don't do this to me. The girl is right. There are birds and horses in the farm. That ship is black. Look at the map of the world. What does this have to do with me? The dog went in the box. This will never work out. This is for you. No one lives in this town. We have to watch the time. Can you spell my name? You were just this close. Careful not to step on the fire. Do you want this? What is my part going to be? She watches stories on TV. Is this your number? She was a problem. We are the last ones. Are you coming with me? But what can we do about it? We can all do the paper together. Are you doing well? He is asking why. I am not so sure about this. This is the right way. Can you get in line? We are here. I am out of ideas. What will happen if I say no? Her eyes are colorful. She does not know this song. You can do it. Don't get your hopes up. I want to know you. Now you can run. Time to go. We are better off without him. We will go over there. That is one too many. Why did you do that? I can see something coming. Come over here. You look good. They are friends. So what's really going on? When will you learn? I've got your back. This is far from over. What were you doing? Yes, I can see that now. That is his rock. White or red? I don't know who anyone is. We will have to stop because of her. I need some food. Then what happened? What were you going to say? Give me an example. You are way too short. But what's in it for us? You can only have a little. Never in 100 years would we do that. Turn it down. It's too loud. How can you be sure? Are there any more? Get over it. How can you help our world? I'm so sorry. Where are you taking me? Let us just see what happens. Maybe I was wrong. He went downstairs. That man is very fast. This is very hard. Stop calling me. Is there anything we can do? That is too much. Do you have any change? The plant has life. Okay, now we are even. Turn off the lights. What would be pleasing to you? I have you to thank for that. You only have one choice. Can you help me out? There are two groups. Who are you talking to? How many people are left? God loves me and you. Just stand still. Wait right here. You can get into the car. Find the study room for me.